How seven chakras work? As we learned, there are seven chakras in our body which are connected from our last bone of spine to top of our head, and these chakras are connected through an energy which is in our spine is called Kundalini Shakti. This Kundalini Shakti cross seven bodies of ourselves. Yes, we have seven different bodies, seven stages. Name of the seven bodies or stages are: first is physical body, second is etheric body, third is astral body, next mental body, fifth is spiritual body, sixth is cosmic body, and the last is bodiless body. If we understand bit about this, seven stages that we understand is how Kundali works. Physical. This develops in the first 7 years of our birth. Rest all are in bits and pieces. Even animals have this body. Some people don't improve from this stage. They are same as animals. Then etheric body comes. This develops after 7 years till 14 years of age. In this we get emotional developments, growth of emotions. Some people stuck at this stage also. Third stage, astral, which is continued till 21 at the age. In this we get logical, thinking, brain development. Most people stops here. As we see, people have thinking ability, emotional sense, physical body. But after this, rest 4 stages are very important. Fourth is mental body. In common words, if we see, we call them psychic people or psychological problem having people. But it's very powerful stage where you get telepathies. You can read mind. In this stage, people get intuitions. Sometimes we call it coincidence, but this is a crucial stage. Fifth is spiritual body. This comes once you are at the age of 35. If we live normal good life, it should come at 35. But some people don't develop the fourth stage, then how fifth stage they will come? It's difficult to achieve. If we speak about spirituals, it's just a word, no emotions or knowledge. As spirits, it's just a word for us. We don't feel or understand these things. Once you reach at the fifth stage, then spirits get meaning in words. We understand what spirits are. It's the fifth stage. Next stage is cosmic stage. You can reach this by at the age of 42. As I said, if you live normal good life, in this life stage where you can develop spirits and ready to live that spirit, means you can connect to any spirit and you are ready to leave that spirit at any stage of life. This is the sixth one. Seventh is a stage where bodiless body comes. This normally gets in our life by 49 years of age. This stage is divine, where you feel nothing is required to be in this body. Everything is divine. You are a spirit or you are a soul which is free to do anything. Normally from stage 5 you may feel you are a free soul, but to reach 7th stage it's a divine feeling. These are the 7 chakras stages.